Hi guys, let me show you how you can maximize the battery of your GoPro by changing a few settings in the menus. For demonstration, in the video we have a GoPro 7 Black, but the settings are similar on most GoPro models. The first and most important setting to change is the quick capture, that lets you directly start recording when pressing the record button without having to turn on the camera. This setting can help you if you leave it on while using the GoPro, but can also drain your battery if you leave the camera on the table. So just turn it off if you don't use it. You can automatically set your GoPro to turn off after a while if not using it, and you can set that to a minimum of 5 minutes by going into Preferences, General menu. You can turn off all connections like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for your GoPro to save on battery. Go to Preferences, Connections and set wireless connections to off. Most of the time, GPS is not needed, so you can turn it off by going into the Regional menu under Preferences. Turn the beeping sounds off by going into the Preferences, General and set beep volume to off. You can also turn off the LED lights on the GoPro by going into the Preferences, General menu and selecting All Off. Voice control can also drain a lot of battery, and you can turn it off by going into Preferences and then Voice control and set it to off. From the touch display menu under Preferences, you can set the screensaver to activate in 1 minute time and also set the brightness to the minimum level. If you are using the remote, it can drain around 15% of your GoPro battery. Protune can give you some flexibility when it comes to recording and editing, as it allows you to fine-tune the way you shoot, but I leave it to off to save more battery. This last tip is optional in my opinion, but if 4K 60fps is not a resolution you need, if you lower the resolution and frame rate to 1080p and 30fps, it can get you a lot more battery time and it can fit a lot more on the microSD card to record. Here are the recording times for each resolution and frame rate with the latest GoPro 11. Also, depending on the space of your microSD card, you can record as follows. Alright guys, I hope these tips help you get the most out of your GoPro battery, so if you found it helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.